Hi everyone, and welcome to the start of week 3. So I'm gonna just want to quickly go back and go over some highlights of week 2. In the lab, Phys, most of you got that there was maybe a little less stuff when the experiment ran, but then your experimental design, you had it in a baggie, so you were trapping the gas. It was an enclosed system, so you could see that mass was conserved. Everyone should be on their ebook now. I don't think anyone's had any trouble there. Then you guys took a look at solids, liquids, gases, and classifying those, and also physical and chemical properties. All of that seemed pretty straightforward. Then you had the virtual lab on separating substances. And you should print out the periodic table. You want to have one there so that you can work your problems. And then there was a little quiz on states of matter. So to go on into the week 3, I'm going to talk a little bit about what's coming up. More memorization or opportunities to work on those elements and their symbols. Then we're going to kind of review the scientific method. And for you guys being juniors, it really should be review. Then there's a little history in here, alchemy to chemistry. Kind of some history of what chemistry is. Quiz over that material. Then we're gonna go into SI units of measure and what we use in chemistry, because in this class we'll use the SI metric units, and you'll have to do conversions. So there's some math here. When you get here, there's a lab where you go to a place called Gizmos, and from what I could see, you guys will have to set up the free 30-day account to do the 2 assignments that are in there. SI system of measure. In here I also put in the crash course Hank Green video on conversions, because I think that's a great video. Coming on down, then there's a quiz on that. And then you guys get to what we call dimensional analysis. And these math problems are really going to be key to solving chemistry problems all year. So I want to make sure that everyone gets this before we move on. So even though it's a short week with no class on Monday, I want you guys to pay a lot of attention to this last bit that comes up. I think I put it on your... I put it on the schedule here for Wednesday, but really that is going to be key to moving forward for the rest of the year. So if you have questions, remember I'm online Tuesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, and Thursday morning, and by appointment. So I will see you guys later.